Hello there, and today I'm showing you quite a special property. We're in Tavistock Road, just a few steps from Launceston town centre. The view at the back of this property is absolutely breathtaking, and we're really pleased to be listing this very spacious house, which could have up to 5 bedrooms of accommodation. The owners have renovated and improved the property significantly during their time of ownership. And inside, as we'll see in a moment, it is presented beautifully for sale and ready for immediate occupation. Firstly, I'll draw your attention to the front of the property, which we're looking at now, which you can see there's lawned areas on either side and steps which lead down to the main area of the property, which is fully enclosed and perfect for those with pets or children to consider. We feel this property would suit a wide range of buyers, from families down to middle-aged young retired couples wanting to have the wonderful convenience of living in Launceston town. So we've just walked down there. I'll just pan around at the back so you can just see where we've just come down from. And without any further ado, let's go inside this property to see what's on offer. So as we enter the hallway, which actually is a very good size, just take my shoes off, and we can see that where we've come in, there's a nice place there just to pop the outside clothing and access to the rest of the ground floor. Through here, as you can see, aptly aimed is the ground floor WC, which has completely been updated during the time of ownership of our clients. If we go in here, this is a room which I really feel is very flexible. It's got a futon, as you can see, so it can be used as an occasional 5th bedroom, or would make a really good office. There is actually an office upstairs in one of the other bedrooms, which we'll see in a moment, but this room could also become a ground floor office or a 5th bedroom, or even a snug, depending on what the buyers are looking for. And underfoot, we've got some really nice Carndean flooring. To our right here is an understairs cupboard. And we go into the main meat of the accommodation now, where you'll see this very spacious dining room. There's a table in here which can comfortably sit 6, could even probably sit 8, no doubt, at a push. Really good space. And what I really love is the theme of these wonderful light fittings and handrails, which you'll notice as we walk around. So there's a really nice ambience here with the dining room. And my favourite room, as we step down a couple of steps into the garden room. Now the garden room is just fantastic because just look at that view, absolutely stunning. See the glistening tops there of Dartmoor, Brentwood Church, and a view that's ever changing all year round. Double doors right out to the decking, so in the heart of the summer, you can be straight out there to enjoy your morning coffee or evening drink. I prefer the latter personally, but each their own. And yeah, you can see really good space. Really good space. And if I now take you down into the kitchen, just a couple of steps down, really well appointed, modern kitchen. And we've got an oven, hob there, it's an extractor unit. I do like the funky underlighting as well as the LED main lighting. And it's also a dishwasher. And how about that for a view from the kitchen sink, folks? Incredible. Absolutely stunning. And then to support the kitchen, we've got the utility room where you can put all these noisy appliances in as well. And there's a side door out to the garden. There's one more room on the ground floor, which we'll just access now, which is the very spacious main lounge. Now this property is well over 100 years old. It's had extensions that have expanded the accommodation over the years. This lounge, as you can see, really good size. Door as well out to the garden. And we've got plenty of room for seating here. Property has mains gas-fired central heating. There's UPVC double glazing. All the window and door furniture has been updated, including locks, handles, etc. These are really nice. These nice rustic grab rails really fit in with the theme of the property. Quirky staircase ascending to the first floor. On this side of the property, so we're out the back, we've got 2 bedrooms. This one's got a wardrobe there, as you can see. It's dual aspect. And again, as you fully expect from slightly higher elevation, you've got that breathtaking outlook. As I say, level walk into Launceston from here, just a few minutes, and you've got shops and all the other facilities in the heart of the town. Master bedroom here, got nice exposed roof beams. We've also got some built-in bedroom furniture to either side of the window. And a ensuite bathroom, which is absolutely pristine. Look at that. Got shower taps over the bath. Absolutely lovely. Some really nice vinyl flooring in there. The carpets, incidentally, are all new as well. So there's nothing to be done there. If we just stand back, you can fully appreciate this wonderful main bedroom. Market conditions continue to be very resilient. We've seen a busy start to 2023. We fully expect that to continue in the weeks and months ahead as the daffodils continue to pop up. So now we're looking at the front part of the first floor, and we have bedroom number 3 here, which, as you can see, has a double bed, and it has a good range of mirrored wardrobes here off to my left, creating a nice little storage. And finally, bedroom number 4, which, as you can see, is the one kitted out currently as an office. There's a range of cupboards that are also included from here. It's quite a good place to work, actually, because you can sort of have a nice sort of natural light, keep an eye on what's going on outside. And then the owners have meticulously added, by the division of what was previously a bigger bathroom, created a ensuite, which we've just seen, and then this wonderful shower room, which is, again, lovely. Soaker shower unit, proper extraction, LED lighting, quite nice vinyl flooring, and there's also a built-in airing cupboard there. Also worth noting, as well as the central part of Launceston, which is just a short walk away, you've also got a supermarket, retail park as well, within an easy walk from here, as well as Coronation Park, leisure centre. It's all within striking distance, and just absolutely perfect for those wanting convenience of the town facilities. So, just going to pick my shoes up, and then I want to show you the outside at the back, because that's also a very impressive part of this house. It's a little bit gloomy now. It was lovely earlier on. Unfortunately, the clouds won the battle over the sun as the days worn on, but it's still rather pleasant to appreciate the outlook. So here we are. So you'll see decking space here, which is, as I say, lovely for an evening drink or morning coffee. Just fully taking in that absolutely jaw-dropping view, which, as I say, never changes. Won't be long before those leaves are on those trees. Really nice area. And I'm just going to walk here so I can just spin round and show you the back of the house. There we go. And there's also a block store on the right. That one has power and light. There's also an outside hot and cold water tap as well. And if we just walk this way, you'll see the other end of the garden. We have a useful timber storage shed as well. And on my right is the door back into the lounge. So there we are, that concludes the video for number 3 Tavistock Road, Launceston. Delighted to have this one for sale. Further information, please contact Sole Selling Agents Webbers on 01566 776211. Thank you.